Look at this flat top, very nice flat top, rising bottoms over a long period. So maybe this is the one that we're waiting for a long consolidation, and then a break, a retest, and then a spectacular move. Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. It's Thursday, 29 August 2024. Today I'll be trading long on the New Zealand, the Swiss and the pound, and short on the yen, the euro and the US dollar. Let's kick off with the dollar index. Strong bounce yesterday, but already giving up last night. With all my indicators keep showing me dollar bearish. Yes, this long white candle shows some strength coming in, but it could only be covering off shorts. So at this stage, with everything so bearish, I get the feeling it wants to break down and doesn't want to retest. But I will never exclude the possibility of a retest there, never. But I'll stay short on the dollar. I need a little bit of strength to get the retracement, so it's not a bad thing for me, but I'll stay short on the dollar. Gold bouncing off very nicely off that sweet spot level. I showed you yesterday the halfway mark, 2,500 levels. That'll be the area that's good for accumulation. You can also see on that halfway mark, we saw some very nice hammer candles on the 4-hour charts, which give you another opportunity of adding into the gold trade. On the 4-hour charts, having a stop loss down there would be perfect. On the daily charts, a stop loss down there would be perfect. If we can get a new high here from today or later this week, I can then trail the stop loss to this low here. For now, I'll hold on tight on a weak dollar. I want to be gold long, and that's exactly what I am. Bitcoin still under pressure, finding a little bit of support. If you go back to the weekly charts, you see this rising trend line here still shows support there. It never closed on a weekly basis below this rising trend line, which is good news for that matter. So I think that's why it stalls a little bit there, but this spike is ugly. But on the daily charts, I still see no reason to buy. Trend is turning back bearish again. It's actually getting so whiplashed now that I'm really losing complete interest here buying anything or even looking forward to buy anything until I can get clear-cut signals. At this stage, the signals are absolutely useless. No buying for me until I can see a new high or then a very clear-cut setup coming in here. In the New Zealand US, yesterday we hit all our targets. My mentoring group also got right to the target up there last night. So it was a great trade for us also. But we also had the trade here on YouTube, and that one hit the target before that. Now, retracing back to 61% level, New Zealand green zone, all the sparkle, dollar bottom of the pile, definitely the worst one for them all. And a retracement here would be a good thing for me, but because if I can get the test of the structure there and then a counter reversal, I'll then take some long positions. On the DAX, with a weak euro, it's stock market bullish. So I would like to go long on the DAX. Very nice resistance becoming support level here on this last swing here. If a retest can happen at the 61% FIB level, honoring this structure here, and I can get a good strong counter reversal, I'll then take some longs on the DAX. Before we continue, thank you for today's sponsor again, Incasu. When your business needs a reporting platform to improve the quality and speed of making decisions, consider Insight BI, a seamless add-on for reporting and business intelligence. Insight BI is an all-in-one, cloud-based 24/7 reporting solution. For more info, check out the link in the description. US Swiss. Nice swing down the page here on the weaker dollar. Retracing, that level now becomes resistance for me at 61% level. Nice structure there. My mentoring program, we got a short from up there and another short from up there. But here we have nothing. We're looking for something. And a retracement back to 61% and a confirmation candle reversal there, that'll get me to go long. If you look at the dollar, you can see bottom of the pile, Swiss franc green zone, so second strongest currency. So I want to be long Swiss and I want to be short dollar, and shorting this will give me both of those positions. New Zealand yen, we look at the New Zealand, all the sparkle, yen red zone, and a retracement. Look at this flat top, very nice flat top, rising bottoms over a long period. So maybe this is the one that we're waiting for a long consolidation and then a break, a retest, and then a spectacular move once these long persistent sideways markets break. So let's hope they're for the best. Very nice strong break. So I'm waiting for the retracement back to 61%, right at structure here at the flat top triangle. That will confirm then this as a structure, and then I can take a long candle, or I can take a long position on a candle reversal. In the pound New Zealand, pound very strong, but New Zealand much stronger. So not my favorite setup when they're in the same color, but looking for a long on the New Zealand, and by shorting the pound, New Zealand will give me the long on the New Zealand. Although they're the same color, pound relative to the New Zealand is weaker. So I will still take a long here, well, take a short here, meaning a long on the New Zealand. And the New Zealand CAD, also nice strong run up the page, solid break of structure there, retracement back to the 50-61% level. Look at the structure there, very nice high. So if it can test, a good test, solid candle reversal, I'll then take some longs. Euro Australian dollar, nice big swing down the page. If you look at the euro, very weak at this trade at this stage. Aussie, well, neutral. I'm not after that, but this is one of the few ones I can actually get a euro short. So the euro this is what I want to be short. So it's the retracement back to 61% level there. Nicely structure there. It's a big level there. You can see that. But to be more precise, that bottom there, that's the area. Once I get a test there, a candle reversal, I'll then consider some shorts. Swiss yen. Swiss green zone, yen red zone. So I want to be long here. Retracement back to 50-61% level. But structure forming there. And if I can get a retracement back there, bulls can prove themselves with a nice candle reversal. I'll then take some longs. Pound US. We got this last directional swing. Retracement, nice hammer candle here. Not good enough for me to do anything with at that stage. But forming structure here. If I can get a retest here, this could turn into a double bottom or a strong candle reversal here. That'll get me to take some longs. You can see here the pound green zone and the dollar bottom of the pile red zone. That's what I want. So I want to be long here, but not in mid-air here. I'm going to wait for a retest. If it doesn't come back, I'll step aside. If it comes back, retest, reconfirm this a structure, then I'll definitely consider some longs. In the Euro CAD, Euro red zone CAD, neutral. I'm not after that, but I'm after the Euro short. I don't have a lot of options to take a short on the Euro, so I have to settle for something like this. A retracement back to 61% level, right the structure coming in there. If I can get a counter reversal up there, then I'm definitely going to consider some shorts. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. You can support this channel by checking out all the links in the description. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. I can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.